Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's SecondSplash review video, I'd like to share with you a free done-for-you funnel that our team is going to give you if you decide to join our SecondSplash team. And the beauty of this free done-for-you funnel is even if you stay a free member for life with SecondSplash, then you can earn multiple income streams and monthly recurring income streams, even as a free member. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through, I'm going to show you some proof of commissions, show you that it works. I'm going to show you how to get free viral passive traffic with SecondSplash. So that's the core product. And then I'm going to show you all the tools and the training we're going to give you. So first of all, if you're not familiar with SecondSplash, this is probably it's only been launched a week ago. And what you do is you get viral passive traffic even as a free member. So I'm live in my back office here. You can see I'm live in my back office. And as far as the traffic's concerned, everyone needs traffic. I'm not going to go into more detail about how the passive traffic works because I've done other videos on that. But what you'll see here is I'm already getting clicks. It says 10 clicks there and 6 clicks there. So I'm already getting free viral traffic, automated passive traffic to my offers with just those couple of campaigns that I've got running there. So that's first of all, it's worth joining SecondSplash just to get the automated passive traffic that you're going to get. So let's now have a look at the income streams. So even as a free member, you'll see here commission $11. This one is the monthly recurring commission. So if I go into here into how this all works, we go into commission explained, then what you'll see here that even as a free member, if any of your referrals upgrade, you're going to get a 25% monthly recurring commission every single month as long as they remain an upgraded member. And if you're a pro member like me, then you're going to get 50% monthly recurring commissions. That's just one income stream. There's multiple income streams in this funnel. So just bear with me as I go through each and every one. So that's great there. That's free members, monthly recurring commission, or pro members, monthly recurring commission. And we're going to go back onto the stats dashboard. Now, the next income stream is a bonus income. And this is with easy cash for ads. So you go into bonus income when you log into your SecondSplash account. Now, if you're not familiar with easy cash for ads, this is the sister product of SecondSplash. And easy cash for ads has been online for 6 years. And it's known, liked, and trusted. And the owners have just set up SecondSplash. But what they've done, they've very cleverly put easy cash for ads into the funnel of SecondSplash. Now, what you'll see here is in my easy cash for ads account, I've been a member here for just over since the middle of last year. If I go into view your commissions, you'll see that this converts. I'm going to log in again. It's logged me out now. So what you'll see here is that this is also a product that converts. You'll see this month. So I've made $670 in $690 now. $690 profit with this program. Let me just minimize this so I can show you exactly what I mean. So when I started easy cash for ads, I've earned commissions every single month from the 7th month of last year. I've done other videos on my channel about this, but commissions have come in every single month for 17 months in a row. So you'll see that this is a converting product. And this product alone, you can even promote this on its own and earn there's no monthly membership cost with this. I don't want you to get confused with it being a monthly membership program. Easy Cash for Ads is a one-time payment. So what you would do is you would join it for one time $19. You just click here to join Easy Cash for Ads. And it's very simple. You just put your username here into the window, and then when people come through your SecondSplash funnel, they can join Easy Cash for Ads, and you can start to earn some commissions like this. But that is optional. That's not compulsory. That's a bonus income. So let's move now on to the next income stream in the funnel. So I think now before I show you that, I should show you the funnel itself. So the link in the description will take you to a page where you can join our team. And then once you join our team, you're going to get a page exactly the same as this. It's a completely done for you system. And all you do is follow the video tutorials. We've got all video tutorials here that are step by step for you to get set up with and teach you how to do everything. It's really beginner friendly. So if you're brand new and haven't made your first dollar online, you can start to get viral passive traffic, and you can promote this funnel within SecondSplash, so you can get viral traffic and start to earn multiple commissions promoting this. So all you do is click on there and join SecondSplash. Once you've done that, the next video here, it's a very detailed video. It lasts 20 minutes. So this video here will teach you how to set your funnel up. And like I said before, we're using the Leads Leap tools. Now with Leads Leap, you get a free lifetime membership. And by using these share codes here, you can set up your funnel. It's really beginner friendly. It's just copy and paste and a few clicks, and the video tutorials will take you through it step by step. And then once you join Leads Leap and you start promoting this funnel, you can then, as a free member, even earn commissions in Leads Leap. And you'll see that Leads Leap converts into commissions because I've already earned $312 with Leads Leap as well. So even as a free member as Leads Leap, you can earn monthly recurring commissions by promoting this funnel if any of your referrals upgrade. So we do recommend that you upgrade because you're going to get a higher commission level. I did start out for free. I started out for free in most of the programs you'll see on my channel. And then what I did is when I got some commissions coming in, then that's when I upgraded. So not everybody upgrades straight away. Don't worry if you start getting referrals and they don't upgrade. When the time's right and people can afford it, then they'll upgrade. So it's a very, very simple system. All you do is click the link in the description. You join our team, and then it will bring you to a page like this, and it's step by step. Join SecondSplash for free. Join Leads Leap for free. Use your share codes, set up your funnel, and then I'll teach you. I'll have my email address in the description, and contact me, and I'll teach you how to drive traffic to this funnel and start to earn you some commissions. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you want to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and then click the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm doing a new video every single day at the moment, and long term, I plan to do several new videos every single week and carry on creating new content for you. At the moment, there's over 800 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about SecondSplash or any of the products that we've talked about today, Easy Cash for Ads or Leads Leap, then please leave those questions in the comments below, because I use each of these products every single day to build my online business. And I'm also going to put my email address in the description there. So if you want some help driving traffic to this funnel, then just send me an email and I'll mentor you one-to-one and give you help, support and training in doing that as well. So click the link in the description and then you can join our team for free with SecondSplash, and then we're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.